Good afternoon, Indira Shah here. Let me show you the authentic way of preparing chutney puri. This is the Karnataka style. Chutney puri is nothing but which can replace chutney. When you do not want to make chutney, you can use this for idli, dosa, chapati, roti, anything. This will be very tasty. Very healthy too, because there are two kinds of dal, and then copra, jaggery. All these things are nutritious and good for health. So for chutney powder, what you need is 1 cup of this is chana dal, okay, and equal measurement in the equal cup urad dal, okay, then equal or little more. This is dry copra. Either you can grate it or slice it thin, however you want. Then red chili you have to see like how much your family need. Here I have taken both Badgi and the Salem, because Badgi gives color and Salem gives the pungent taste. And just 1/4 cup of curry leaves. This is washed and dried. And then you need for the sourness you need tamarind as big as a lemon. And then jaggery you need for taste, and as usual salt and asafoetida. Now what you have to do is you have to dry fry both separately. Dry fry everything. Do not add oil, because when you add oil you cannot store it for a long time. Then you need to store it in a fridge. So if you don't add oil, you can store it even for a month outside. Okay. Now let me just dry fry. Here I am dry frying, but let the flame be not on high. It should not be on high, because if you keep it on high, it turns brown very fast. So always you should be on medium, and then fry like this continuously. Okay. So once I fry, I will come back to you. Here I am getting an excellent aroma, and it is turning pink. Okay, it should be evenly fried, so you should keep on doing like this so it gets fried evenly. Okay, now I'll put off the stove. Now let me fry urad dal till pink. Let me put on the stove. Here again it should be in the medium. The flame should be medium. Okay. You have to keep on doing like this. Otherwise what happens, the bottom dal that's in the bottom gets fried and the top one remains as it is. So your chutney powder will go to a toss. So frying is a very important has an important role in this. So if you want a tasty chutney powder, your frying should be proper. So let me fry it and come back to you. Here the urad dal is giving an excellent aroma, and it has turned pink. So I'll put off the stove. The next will be frying copra. Once you fry copra till light pink, you keep it separately. Don't mix it with this. Okay. Here the copra has turned pink. I'll keep it separately in another plate. Now you can fry the red chili. Okay. Red chili actually you need not put on the stove, because the pan is very hot. So we'll just fry it in the pan itself, and to this you can add the curry leaves. And then you have to just dry fry in the same pan. You need not put on the stove. When the pan is hot, you can just add the salt, because the moisture in the salt should go away. So what happens when you add the salt to the chutney powder, and when you grind it, it should evenly get mixed. Okay. So that is the reason we fry salt. The stove is not on. I am just frying it in the retained heat. And here this tamarind, you need not heat. You can just put it like this and then see, cover it. So with this heat, this will get softened. So it will be easy for you to grind. So now we'll wait for all these ingredients to get cooled, and then we have to grind it coarse. Do not grind it to a fine powder, okay? It should be finely coarse, okay? So once this is cool, I'll come back to you. Here the chutney podi is ready. See, it should be this coarse, fine coarse, okay? Here. So now let me just bottle it and show you. Here the chutney powder is ready. See, you can see. This can replace chutney, okay? So this goes very well with idli, dosa. You can mix it with hot rice and ghee, or even with roti. You can just spread it on roti, and you can sprinkle ghee and then roll it and eat. So this will be very yummy to eat. Even as it is, 1 or 2 spoons you can eat. Many times I eat that because it is sweet, sour and hot. And because I have used both the chilies, that is Badgi and the Salem, the color is little less. If you use only Badgi, then the color will be red, okay? So I want you to prepare this and get back to me, give me your sincere feedback. Thank you very much for watching my channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and press the like button, bell button for notification, and please share my video with your friends and relatives. Thank you very much. Bye bye. This is Indira Shah with Vela.